we're Team Snake Eater, and we're here to present our movie generator language model. So imagine you are a movie writer who's, I don't know, out of ideas, or maybe you're a student who wants to explore how changing certain parameters can change the output of an LLM. Or maybe you're bored and you want to generate some funny fake movies. Well, we present to you, sorry, there's a bit of lag, original movie generation in one click. We fine-tuned a few language models on over 200,000 movies from the movie database, so that given a list of genres, keywords, and uniqueness scale, it will generate a new movie title and plot overview based on those inputs. So, how did we make this?
How did we make this? First, we imported and cleaned the dataset. Then we created example input prompts and target outputs for each row. As you can see in the data frame, there's two columns, the input text and the target text, which basically tells the model what the format of the input and output should be like. Thirdly, we fine-tuned T5 large language model using the tokenized example inputs and outputs. Then we tuned hyperparameters for text generation, like the temperature, top P, top K, and so on. And these basically control how random the outputs of the text is. We only had time to fine-tune one model type, which was the T5, and we chose that because it uses an encoder-decoder architecture, which makes it more suitable for generating formatted outputs based on the formatted inputs, and it's free and open source.
So our biggest challenge was long run times, which was up to 7 hours at one point. But we fixed that by optimizing our device to utilize NVIDIA GPU, and that shortened it to about 2 hours. And another big problem was that our outputs were generic, kind of weird sometimes. So we tuned the hyperparameters a bit with like the temperature and the top K and such. And important thing is, these are our results. Could you, you can try accessing that link as well, but for now we'll just generate. Okay, right now, we have two models that we can pick from. We're just going to do a T5 base 20,000. We're going to put uniqueness right at the middle because we found that was the best. And then we're going to generate a sci-fi action adventure with the keywords space, future space, battleship, and pilot. Can you please generate, please?
Slack.
Yeah.
So,
well, okay, one at a time. Can you go back to the other one? This is the whole Google Meet lighting. Okay.
Can you try leaving the call and reconnecting or something? This is a technical issue, so we won't dock you down for this. Or is there like a screenshot you can show us of the results or something? You have like 30 seconds.
Oh, okay. Well, the output is blurry because it's a bit. Okay, there we go. The Battlebird, the crew of the X-100 destroyer, is sent to the surface with no way to save X-104. Could you hit generate again? On Mars, on a ship that has supposedly no chance of landing on Mars, an Imperial explorer must stop and find out how much they can get out of the deep space zone, and so on and so forth. Could you go back to the, okay. So here are some of our favorite outputs. We generated this drama romance, and it generated this movie. An intelligent woman starts a business with a robot that predicts her future. As you can see, it kind of captures the genre, the spirit of the genre kind of well of a genre romance, and it even incorporates the keywords AI, technology, and such. And we encourage you to try it out at bit.ly/snakeeater123. Thank you.